Post-construction termite protection under an existing concrete slab can be achieved without tearing up the floor using targeted non-invasive sub-slab methods. Begin by mapping the slab perimeter and any known joints or cracks so we can plan drill patterns that avoid utilities and structural reinforcement. For grout injection through exterior drill holes, use a rotary hammer with a masonry bit sized to exactly match the grout nozzle. Drill into the slab edge at a shallow angle to hit the slab edge voids, and inject an expanding cementitious grout that bonds into gaps. This seals pathways and creates channels for termiticide if used afterward. When installing monitoring or concealed baiting ports, we cut small diameter holes through the slab at predetermined spacing near the foundation wall, then set flush ports that allow placement and later replacement of cellulose bait or inspection devices without removing concrete. For rod termiticide along the perimeter edge, push a specialized stainless steel rod into pre-drilled holes adjacent to the slab edge and backfill with a low viscosity, nonrepellent termiticide formulated for soil treatment so it creates a continuous treated band. Work in 8 to 12-inch spacing and apply label rates per linear foot. Use micro-drilling patterns to access voids under fills or wider slab tongues by drilling multiple shallow holes in a grid and probing with a camera or sounding probe to confirm void locations before treatment. Always follow product label directions, document hole locations and volumes injected, and allow proper cure or diffusion times before backfilling and sealing to maintain both performance and warranty compliance. Homeowners often first assume one method fits every job, but soil conditions and slab construction differ, so start with a soil probe and moisture profile to choose grout, baiting, or chemical options appropriately. A second common error is underestimating spacing and application rates, which leads to treatment gaps. Resolve this by following label linear spacing guidance and verifying continuity with post-treatment monitoring. Third, people neglect accurate utility locating and damage a line. Mitigate that risk by using utility locators, hand probing near edges, and keeping drill angles shallow when near known services. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work for projects like non-invasive sub-slab termite protection. We also host an active discussion community where members share experiences, photos, and vendor recommendations so we can all learn from real jobs and make better treatment choices.